The police are also, they are so scared. You could tell. And I think it's high time, as Kenyans, we take our stand to fight for our country, to fight for our democracy. If there's something that we feel it's not going right, then we should fight for it.
My clients were arrested today for participating in illegal demonstrations. My clients had given due notice of today's demonstrations, and the only misunderstanding that we have seen with the police is that they mistakenly believe that once a notification is tendered to them, then my clients should wait to be granted permission. That is not in any law, and I think we have been able to establish that.
I had been arrested, brought here to Nyahururu police station, subsequently released. Obviously because we were engaged in a peaceful demonstration, a demonstration where we had already notified the police service of our intention to demonstrate, and obviously that is why that matter has been left like that. My plea to the police is that they should not allow themselves to be misused by their seniors. If their seniors had bothered to look carefully, they would have found that we had notified the police. So we are well within our rights to be demonstrating in the streets of Nyahururu town. So they have let us go with no further action. Obviously, they are inconveniencing us for no purpose. It is our right to picket